the wife given by the mountain god. Once upon a time, there was a sick mother and a filial son. One day, when my son was working in the mountains, Shiriga no Oni Baba came out from inside the yabu. And I looked into my son's lunch box. Do you feed your sick mother so much? I'm giving my mother a proper white meal. When my son answers, the demon Baba. I see. Well, in 10 days, I'll go to your house, so make me white rice. Saying that, it disappeared in the bush. 10 days later, when my son was waiting with white rice, a clean box fell from the outside. When I opened the box, there was a beautiful daughter inside. The mountain demon Baba told me to be the bride here. That's what I say. My son was happy to marry my daughter. My wife was the daughter of the chief of the neighboring village. The rich man who heard the story also fell in love with his filial and kind-hearted son, and gave him a lot of money. So the three of them were happy. That demon Baba was actually the god of the mountain. The end.